Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make small horns like this from modeling foam. I have a very small one right there, as well as a larger one, and you can pretty much do any size or shape that you want. It's a really quick and simple craft to do. It only took me about under an hour, just under an hour, to get several of these done and a few more off screen. The only supplies that you're going to need for this project is some modeling foam, a clay tool like this for doing any lines or special detailed designs that you want to do. I added a base to my horns so that it looks a little bit more like a reindeer antler, and also so that I would have more of a base to attach it to skin. And finally, you're also going to need a little bit of parchment paper so that your modeling foam does not stick to the surface you're working on. So to make a horn like this one, all you're gonna need is a medium-sized ball and a smaller sized one for the base. And I'm going to shut this up and make sure that the air gets out so that it doesn't start drying up my foam supply. Next, I'm going to roll these out between my palms and start flattening them. I'm going to work fairly quickly so that it doesn't start drying up on me. I'm just pinching it between my fingers like this on both sides to create a point. And I want to curve it upward just a little bit. Then I'm going to take the base and flatten it out like this until it is wide enough and long enough to attach. Just using my thumbs, I'm going to press the two together. It doesn't have to look perfect because horns really don't look super smooth anyway. And if your base gets a little bit too wide, just pinch it back in. All right, so now I have the basic horn shape. I'm going to start using my clay tool on it, starting with the base. I'm going to make little lines around the whole circumference, pressing in some of the edges. Now I'm going to start drawing lines along the horn. These really don't have to be perfect. I think the imperfection makes it look a little bit more natural. If it gets a little bit misshapen, just reshape it with your fingers. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to compare it. If I'm trying to match my horns and get horns that are about the same size, then I'll put them next to each other and look at them from the sides, look at them from the tops, see if there's any adjustments I need to make. And that's it. I leave it on the parchment paper to dry for 48 hours, and after 48 hours, you can paint this, and then you're all done.